half an hour later, I made a couple of adjustments, and I think I got it to work now. So I'm just creating another backup just to make sure that I don't lose anything if it fails. And I'm gonna run the script again. So I'm turning back on the actual, I'm going to turn on the actual update again, because I disabled the set just to make it kind of dry run to see if it actually was working. So it was not removing anything, but now it is. Can keep the logging, it's fine. Let's debug. Yeah. Okay, the backup is there. That's good to know. And then I can just return the result. So now make sure that I built that and build this. So the query is db update all the package.jsons because there's no filter, and in the map I take the old. If there are no old scripts, I just return old, because then it means it's not really a package.json that I want to change. But if there are scripts, it's at least gonna delete the minify and minify2 scripts because I don't need them. So new scripts becomes old scripts, and they're gonna be set as scripts of the returned new item. That's it. So let's have a look what this does. So let's run it. Database package.json test.js. Boom. All right. So it says removing all that stuff, and it says set new values to there, and that's good. It seems good. And let's see if it actually, yeah, it kept the slug, the database, but instead of so the name is still the same, of course, but now there's also a slug in the database, in the package.json, because every model has a slug if there are slug model types, and the ID, they are also added to the database now. So every package.json has an ID, a slug, which is equal to the name, and the scripts have been removed. So it seems to have worked. I still have the DB, or I still have the backup in case I see something later that seems to be wrong. But until now, yeah, it seems to be the way I want it. And yeah, I just, with one single query, I updated all the package.jsons and removed some scripts from there through my ORM. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Just checking one more, but I assume that it is fine. This package.json should not have been edited. Oh shit. Well, it could be that this was already done in a previous query, maybe. This is the original, the root package.json. Oh, hey, look. It seems that it didn't alter this, but it created a new one here for some reason. Maybe that was before I fucked up, when I still fucked up, so that one we don't need. But this one should not be changed. So let's see if it doesn't create a new one there. That will be not what we want. Yeah, it doesn't seem to create one, so that was probably before I fixed it. So I'm happy. I think now it's fine. I'm gonna create another backup and continue. Hope you like it.